latest album, AM, here with the song Do I Want to Know. You can see this one and more at JimmyKimmelLive.com. Arctic Monkey.
Color in your cheeks. You ever get that feel that you can't shift, the type that sticks around like summits in your teeth? Out of some aces up your sleeve, but you no idea that you're in deep. I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee. If this feeling flows both ways, we're sort of hoping that you'd stay, that the nights will mainly make the saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you. Ever thought of calling when you've had a few? 'Cause I always do. Or maybe I'm too busy being yours to fall for somebody new. And now I thought it through. Crawling back to you. So have you got the good? Been wondering if your heart's still open, and if so, I wanna know what time it should. Simmer down on Poker Road. I'm sorry to interrupt, it's just I'm constantly on the cusp. I've tried and to kiss you. I don't know if you feel the same as I do, but we could be together if you wanted to. If this feeling flows both ways, we're sort of hoping that you'd stay, that the nights will mainly make the same things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you. Ever thought of calling when you've had a few? 'Cause I always do, so I always do. Or maybe I'm too busy being yours to fall for somebody new. Now I thought it through. Crawling back to you. If this feeling flows both ways, we're sort of hoping that you'd stay, that the nights will mainly make the same things that you can't say tomorrow day.